Hey guys, welcome to the Puppet Show. I am Digby. I am your host for today. The following scenes contain Can you please go away? I'm trying to do a film here. As I was saying, the following scenes contain The following scenes contain Can you please go away while I am doing this video? I'm never gonna do this. Can you please go up? Right, can you please go away, Mr. Dinosaur? Just go away. As I was saying, you know what, just carry on. Welcome to the Puppet Show. Just go away. I'm trying to do something here. So welcome to the lame puppet show. Go away. Just go away. Boo! This show is lame. Boo! I want that dinosaur back. You know what? Come back. What do you want? Well, this show is lame now, but with you, the show's really funny. Funny? Yes, funny. We need to figure out a name for you. Alright, I'm gonna call you Dino the Dinosaur. So here's Dino the Dinosaur, guys. Roar! Why do people even like this guy? You know what? Should we publish this video onto YouTube? I don't know. We probably should. So guys, can you leave this video a big fat thumbs up. Big fat thumbs up. And subscribe. And turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Yeah, so bye now. Bye. See you later, guys. Bye, this puppet show. It's Digby and Dino the Dinosaur. So, bye-bye. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye.